Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here we are continuing our decision making structures, and now we are going to study about the nested if else statement. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here is our source file. Let me just open this and let me remove this parent program. Okay, now let us just write in the comment what we are going to do in this program. Program to learn nested if else. Okay, control flow. Okay, so you can start our program with the header file. Now the void main function. Okay, so now let me just declare here a variable. Let me declare of int type. Let me declare here x. Okay, now we'll give the input through the user, and I think you know the way to give the input. So this is looking nice, and now let me use here nested if. Okay, here you have to type if, and as per the last video we have to give here a condition. Okay, so let me give here x greater than 10. Okay, and now here we have to put the braces. Okay, now let me here use another if. Okay, if now here I am giving the condition if x equals let me give it 12. Now the statement inside this will be printed. Okay, you are awesome. Okay, and now here we can also give the else part, and inside the else part we can have another if. Okay, so let me give here condition key if x equal 5. Okay, so now if x is found to be 5, then the statement inside this if nested if will be executed. Okay, so here you are cool. Okay, pretty cool stuff. Okay, so now let me just run the program. Okay, here we have to give the value of x. Okay, so here first let me give here 12. Okay, as you can see, if x equal 12, then you are awesome will be printed, and here it is printed. Okay, so let me now run this again. Okay, now this time let me give a number smaller than 10. Okay, so let me give you a 6, and you can see none of the statement is printed because this block will execute if the x is greater than 10, and here we are having as a single value, that is 5. Okay, so let me run this again, and let me now give here 5. Okay, 5, and as you can see our nested if is executed. Okay, and let me now here also give the else part. Okay, else printf, and let me now write here you are pretty. Okay, and now let me run this program. Okay, and now let me give here a number which is greater than 10 but not 12. Okay, so let me give here 15. Okay, as you can see the else part of the nested if else is executing here. Okay, so this is the way how we can use nested if else statement. Okay, so this was the super short video for the nested if. Okay, and I think you got it all how to use nested if statement. This is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.